kids! Today we will learn multiplication with single-digit number without carrying. So let's get started. Kids, multiplication is used in the problems where repeated addition is required. Let's see how. Can you calculate how many balls are there in this picture? Here are 5 sets of 5 balls each. So we need to add 5 times. Instead of adding 5 times, you can multiply 5 with 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. So 25 balls are there. Kids, we will be using multiplication for all the problems where repeated addition is required. So we know when to use multiplication. Now, let's practice multiplication. 5 multiplied by 6, we write it as now. What is 6 multiplied by 5? It is 30. So write 30 in the answer. Remember, we always have to take care of place values. That is, 5 and 6 are at ones places. And in 30, 0 is at ones place. So 0 will be written under ones place. And 3 is at tens place, so will be written under tens place. 30 is our answer. Let's take another example. 4 multiplied by 9. We write it as now. What is 4 multiplied by 9? It is 36. So write 36 in the answer. 36 is our answer. Let's take another example. 42 multiplied by 3. We write it as now, what is 3 multiplied by 2? It is 6. So write 6 in the answer at ones place. Now, what is 3 multiplied by 4? It is 12. So write 12 in the answer. So our answer is 126. Let's take another example. If one book is 5 centimeters thick, then what will be the total thickness of 21 such books? We need to add 21 5 times. So instead, we can multiply 21 with 5. We write it as now. What is 5 multiplied by 1? It is 5. So write 5 in the answer at ones place. Now, what is 5 multiplied by 2? It is 10. So write 10 in the answer. So our answer is 105. Let's take just one more example. There are 82 sticks in a packet. Then how many sticks will be there in total in 4 such packets? We need to add 82 4 times. So instead, we can multiply 82 with 4. We write it as now. What is 4 multiplied by 2? It is 8. So write 8 in the answer at ones place. Now, what is 4 multiplied by 8? It is 32. So write 32 in the answer. So our answer is 328. So kids, today we learned how to multiply single digit or double-digit number with a single-digit number. Also remember, if we change the order of numbers in multiplication, product is not changed. That is, 5 multiplied by 6 equals 6 multiplied by 5. 21 multiplied by 8 equals 8 multiplied by 21. Multiplying any number with 1 gives the same number. 4 multiplied by 1 equals 4. 56 multiplied by 1 equals 56. And multiplying any number with 0 gives 0. 45 multiplied by 0 equals 0. 9 multiplied by 0 equals 0.
Now go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye. Tutway has thousands of animated videos on math, English, and science to clear the core basics of these subjects.